everyone, and welcome to TLDR Psychology. Today, I'd like to talk to you about shoulding all over yourself, which is a very technical term for when you use the word should when you don't have to. Now, where this is coming from is when you use the word should, you're oftentimes essentially denying that reality is what it is, or you're kind of like railing against it. So these would be things like saying, I shouldn't have to use single ply toilet paper right now, I like to use Charmin. Or I shouldn't have to jump into an embankment to avoid that jogger who's clearly not respecting my social distancing. Or Chuck E. Cheese shouldn't be open right now, the ball pit infects enough kids already as it is. All of those things might be true, and thinking about it that way actually only makes you more aggravated because that is just simply what's going on. Those things are happening, and being angry about the fact that reality is there doesn't actually do you any good. Sometimes the shoulds could also be hidden, so things like this isn't fair oftentimes is actually code for this shouldn't be happening to me. So if that's what shoulding all over yourself is about, then the next question is, well, what can you do instead, right? Because again, you can make an argument for why the shoulds are true. So you need to come up with something else that feels equally as true. And the key here is coming up with an idea, a new thought that falls under the category of what we call radical acceptance. So radical acceptance is a term out of the dialectical behavioral therapy family tree. And basically what it gets at is that you can accept the current moment for what it is while at the same time not giving away the future. Not saying that you don't want to work to make it different in the future, work to make it better, but you don't have to be angry about what's here right now. So you could say something like, I don't like the fact that because of my choices, I have an alcohol addiction and now I'm in a program and I don't have a home and my family doesn't talk with me. And I can also commit myself to making this better in the future. I don't have to be down on myself for where I am now. I can be accepting of it and I can be looking forward to the future that I'm creating right now. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel if this content was useful, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.